People, welcome to my channel. This is Birdbeak, and today I want to talk about an issue that is plaguing the nation of Jamaica that no one seems to be aware of. Now, today's topic is one of relative obscurity, and it's the issue of the population collapse that Jamaica is heading for. Yes, you heard me right, a population collapse. Now, most of you might be thinking to yourself, Birdbeak, you must be crazy. The place is overpopulated and overcrowded. Don't you see how much traffic is on the road? Well, this is actually a misconception, and I have facts to back it up. But before we get into this, let's reason for a moment. It takes two, a man and a woman, to make a child. So if they have one child, that child will not be able to fill the two spots the parents leave behind once they have departed from the land of the living. So to ensure the population is growing or stable, couples should be having at least 2 or more children. Now, here's a shocking fact. Jamaica's birth rate as of 2022 is currently at 1.34 births per woman. For a population to be stable, it has to be 2.0 to 2.1 births per woman, and 2.2 births per woman and above means your population is growing. Jamaica is far below that threshold, and this will significantly impact the future of the nation in many shocking ways. Take a look at your screen. These are examples of what are called population pyramids. Now, what is a population pyramid? A population pyramid is a graphical representation of the distribution of a population by age and sex. Why is it shaped like a pyramid? Well, in many countries, especially those with high birth rates, the pyramid shape comes from the fact that there are more young people than older people. As you move up the pyramid, the bars get shorter, indicating a smaller population in older age groups. Here you can see a contracting population. Here you can see a growing population. And here you can see a stationary or stable population. And here is Jamaica's population pyramid. Notice the issue here? Exactly. Jamaica's population pyramid is one of a contracting population. Here's a more simple way to visualize this. Here you can see the Jamaican population peaked in 2021, and between then and 2024 there has been a decline. And according to many factors, statistics and conditions, this decline is not projected to stop within this century. At this current rate, by the year 2100, the Jamaican population will be at a shocking 897,000 individuals, which is less than a third of our current population of 2.8 million. This will have drastic effects on the future of our nation. Here are some of the negative impacts that a low birth rate will have on our nation. Economic slowdown, shrinking workforce. Fewer young people entering the workforce mean labor shortages, reduced productivity, and potential economic stagnation. Reduced consumer base. A smaller population translates to a smaller consumer market, impacting businesses and potentially slowing economic growth. Strained social security systems. With fewer people paying into Jamaica's social security system called the National Insurance Scheme, or NIS, which is funded by taxpayer money, this will result in reduced retirement pensions to help people financially after they stop working, less disability benefits for those who can no longer work due to illness or injury, reduced survivors' benefits for families of deceased workers, and less maternity benefits to women supporting pregnancy during and after childbirth. Social and cultural impacts. Aging population can lead to increased healthcare costs and potential strain on social services. Decline in innovation. A smaller number of young people may lead to fewer new ideas and less dynamic society. Potential for social unrest. Concerns about the future and the burden for caring for an aging population can create social tensions. National security. Military recruitment challenges. A smaller pool of young people can make it more difficult to maintain a strong military. Reduce national power. A declining population can weaken a nation's overall influence and standing on the world stage. If that happens, we can't live up to our pledge and play our part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Here is a video showing empty maternity wards in Jamaica. This shows how little kids are being born. And sad part is a lot of Jamaican people think this is a good thing.
Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so?
Luckily, all hope is not lost because there is still time to fix this issue. Here are a few quick points that can lead to an increase in population and birth rate by the end of the century. Improved healthcare. Access to quality healthcare, including maternal and child health services, can reduce infant and maternal mortality rates, leading to increased population growth. Economic stability. Economic stability and prosperity can create more favorable environments for family planning and childbearing. Social support. Policies and programs that support families, such as affordable childcare, parental leave, and family-friendly workplaces can encourage people to have more children. Changes to cultural norms. A cultural shift toward norms and values that promote larger and more connected families is absolutely necessary to achieve higher birth rates. So if these measures are implemented, we can stabilize or even kickstart new population growth by the end of this century. What's causing this shockingly low birth rate and impending population collapse is a topic for another video. Please let me know in the comments if I should make that video, but I'm glad I could shine some light on this issue. With that out of the way, thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. If you want to see more videos like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your feedback helps improve the quality of the videos. Bird Nation, stay sharp.